What if I told you that a signal recently detected from deep space was never supposed to be there? Not from a star, not from a planet, not from anything we understand. In 2024, one of the most powerful radio telescopes on Earth quietly turned toward a mysterious object called 31ATLAS. And what scientists heard between 1 and 12 gigahertz made them stop, recheck their data, and listen again. Because if this signal is real, it could change how humanity understands the universe forever. This is not science fiction. This is the Breakthrough Listen project. And this is the story that scientists are being very careful about how they tell. The quiet watchers of the universe somewhere in West Virginia, surrounded by mountains and silence, sits a massive steel structure. No blinking lights, no dramatic countdowns, no headlines. Just a dish so large it could swallow a football field. This is the Green Bank Telescope, and its job is simple, but terrifying. Listen, not for explosions, not for light, but for whispers in the cosmic dark. For years, this telescope has listened to the universe under the Breakthrough Listen initiative, the largest scientific search for intelligent life ever attempted. Most of the time, it hears nothing. But sometimes, it hears something it can't easily explain. What is 3I-ATLAS? 3I Atlas isn't a movie title. It's not a spacecraft. And it's not supposed to be special. At least, not at first. The name comes from an automated sky survey system designed to detect moving objects, comets, asteroids, interstellar visitors. The 3I means something important. Interstellar. Only the third object ever observed entering our solar system from outside. Not born with our sun. Not shaped by our planets. Not part of our cosmic neighborhood. It came from somewhere else, and when something like that passes through our solar system, scientists listen. WHY Breakthrough Listen turned its ears to 3I. Atlas hears the rule. Scientists live by. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. No one said 3I Atlas was alien, but history taught astronomers something important. Interstellar objects are uncontaminated messengers from other star systems. They carry chemical clues, structural secrets, and possibly technological signatures, so Breakthrough Listen did what it does best. They observed 3I Atlas across 1 to 12 gigahertz. A frequency range suspiciously important. Why? Because this band includes hydrogen line frequencies, satellite-like transmission ranges, and frequencies humans ourselves use to communicate. If someone were transmitting across the galaxy, this is where you'd listen. The moment the data came in at first, everything looked normal. Background noise, cosmic static, random bursts, then something unusual appeared. Not loud, not dramatic, but structured. A signal that didn't match known astrophysical sources, didn't align with Earth-based interference, didn't behave like random noise. It was subtle, and that's what made it frightening. Why structure matters more than strength. Hollywood teaches us aliens arrive with explosions. Real science knows better. Intelligence doesn't shout, it patterns. Random noise is chaotic. Natural sources fluctuate, but engineered signals show consistency, repetition, intentional constraints. Scientists didn't say, "This is alien." They said something far more serious. "This requires further investigation." In science, that sentence carries weight. The first doubt is ITOs. Before anyone even thinks about extraterrestrial explanations, there's a brutal process. Scientists try to kill the signal. They assume satellite leakage, aircraft radar, military transmissions, hardware error. Every possibility is tested. The signal persists. Not always present, not always absent. Appearing, then disappearing, like something rotating or transmitting intermittently. The uncomfortable question. At this point, Breakthrough Listen, scientists face a familiar fear. Not fear of aliens, fear of embarrassment. Because false positives have haunted SETI history before, so they do what professionals do. They stay quiet. No press conference, no dramatic announcement. Just deeper listening. WHY 1 to 12. Gigahertz is sulfur monoxide important. Let's pause here, because this frequency range isn't random. It's often called the cosmic quiet zone. Low background noise, minimal natural interference. If an advanced civilization wanted to be heard, this would be the smart place to transmit. That doesn't mean they are, but it means if someone were trying, we might finally be listening in the right place. What this means for humanity, if true. Imagine this for a moment. Not invasion, not contact, just confirmation. We are not alone. That single realization would rewrite philosophy, redefine religion, reshape human identities. Suddenly, borders feel smaller, arguments feel quieter, egos feel weaker. And that possibility is why scientists move slowly. The danger of wanting IT too much. There's another side to this story. Humans want meaning. We want connection. We want the universe to notice us. That desire can create illusions. So breakthrough listen follows a rule. Never fall in love with your data. They keep testing, re-observing, cross-checking. The signal does not scream. It waits. What makes 3i Atlas different? Unlike distant stars, 3i Atlas moves. Its Doppler shift changes. Its relative velocity shifts the signal slightly, and the signal shifts with it. That correlation is important. It suggests the source is tied to the object, not Earth. Still not proof, but enough to keep listening. The quiet power of science. Here's the most beautiful part of this story. No one is panicking. No one is celebrating. Science isn't emotional. It's patient. It whispers. We don't know yet. And that humility is humanity's greatest strength. What if IT's not aliens? Let's be honest. There are many possible explanations. Exotic plasma effects, unknown cometary chemistry, instrumental artifacts, not yet understood, and that's okay. Because every mystery teaches us something. Even if the answer is natural, our understanding of the universe expands. The cliffhanger. What happens next? Breakthrough listen hasn't stopped. Other telescopes may join. More observations will come. More data will arrive. And somewhere in that data, the universe may answer or remain silent. Both outcomes matter. The deeper lesson this story isn't really about aliens. It's about curiosity. About choosing to listen instead of assume. About admitting we don't know everything. In a world obsessed with certainty, science chooses wonder. If this story made you pause, if it made you feel small, in a good way, comment below. Do you think humanity is ready to hear the truth? What about it is? Like this video if you believe curiosity drives progress. Subscribe to AED ID for more stories where science meets mystery. Because sometimes, the most powerful discovery is learning how to listen.